The future of experiential marketing. Experiential marketing, also known as engagement marketing or event marketing, focuses on creating immersive and memorable experiences for consumers. It's about engaging the senses, sparking emotions, and fostering a deeper connection with the brand. Experiential marketing goes beyond traditional advertising by actively involving consumers and creating a lasting impression. It can take many forms, from interactive installations and pop-up events to immersive brand activations and festivals. In today's competitive landscape, where consumers are bombarded with marketing messages, experiential marketing offers a powerful way to cut through the noise and create lasting impressions. By engaging the senses and evoking emotions, experiential marketing creates lasting memories that traditional advertising simply cannot replicate. These positive memories translate into positive brand associations and increased brand recall. Interactive experiences and shareable moments encourage consumers to actively participate and share their experiences with others, both online and offline, amplifying the reach of the campaign. By allowing consumers to interact with products, try them out, and experience their benefits firsthand, experiential marketing can influence purchase decisions and drive sales. When consumers feel a personal connection with a brand, they are more likely to become loyal customers and advocates. Experiential marketing fosters these emotional connections by creating positive and memorable experiences. The landscape of experiential marketing is constantly evolving, and several key trends are shaping its future. Technology is playing an increasingly important role in experiential marketing. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality are being used to create immersive and interactive experiences that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. These technologies allow consumers to engage with brands in new and exciting ways, creating a sense of wonder and excitement. Data and AI are enabling brands to create more personalized and targeted experiences for consumers. By understanding individual preferences and behaviors, brands can tailor their experiential marketing campaigns to specific audiences, creating more relevant and engaging interactions. Sustainability and social impact are becoming key considerations in experiential marketing. Consumers are increasingly expecting brands to be socially responsible and sustainable, and they are more likely to engage with brands that align with their values. Experiential marketing campaigns that incorporate sustainable practices and promote social causes can resonate deeply with consumers and enhance brand reputation. The future of experiential marketing is hybrid, blending physical and digital elements to create more engaging and accessible experiences. This allows brands to reach a wider audience, including those who may not be able to attend physical events. For example, a brand could host a physical pop-up event that is also streamed online, allowing consumers to participate virtually. Experiential marketing is moving beyond one-way communication and embracing community and co-creation. Brands are building communities around their products and services, and they are involving consumers in the creative process, encouraging them to share their ideas and contribute to the brand's story. This fosters a sense of ownership and belonging among consumers, leading to deeper engagement and loyalty. While experiential marketing offers significant potential, it also presents some challenges. It's important to establish clear objectives and metrics for measuring the success of experiential marketing campaigns. This could include metrics such as brand awareness, social media engagement, website traffic, lead generation, and sales. Brands need to carefully plan and budget for experiential marketing campaigns, considering factors such as venue rental, staffing, technology, and marketing materials. Brands need to prioritize the safety and security of participants in their experiential marketing campaigns. This includes having appropriate security measures in place, managing crowd control, and ensuring that the venue is safe and accessible. Brands need to be prepared to adapt their experiential marketing strategies to keep pace with changing consumer expectations and technological advancements. This could involve experimenting with new technologies, incorporating sustainable practices, and embracing hybrid experiences. To summarize, the future of experiential marketing is bright, with new technologies and evolving consumer expectations creating exciting opportunities for brands to connect with their audiences in meaningful ways. By embracing trends like technology integration, personalization, sustainability, hybrid experiences, and community co-creation, brands can create truly memorable and impactful experiences that foster deeper connections with consumers and drive business success. However, it's important to address the challenges of measuring ROI, managing budgets and logistics, ensuring safety and security, and adapting to change in order to maximize the effectiveness of experiential marketing campaigns.